What if I told you the noisy fan inside your laptop could soon disappear forever? For years, laptops have depended on tiny spinning fans to stay cool. But as laptops became thinner and more powerful, especially with AI, those fans started struggling. More power means more heat and more noise. Now, a company called YPlasma is changing everything. At CES 2026, they are revealing the world's first laptop cooled using plasma instead of fans. This laptop uses cold plasma to create an invisible airflow called ionic wind. There are no moving parts, no vibration, and no fan noise at all, just silent cooling. The most surprising part, the cooling system is only 200 microns thick, thinner than a sheet of paper, and runs at just 17 decibels, so quiet you can barely hear it. And this technology doesn't stop with laptops. It could soon be used in cars, airplanes, drones, and even space technology. The future of cooling isn't louder, it's silent. Don't forget to subscribe for more science and technology updates.